Did you know most people who switch from shaving to waxing say their skin stays smooth for weeks? Ever wondered why Brazilian waxing is so popular? Stay tuned, today you'll learn how to get smooth, lasting results right at home. Welcome to MTH Health, your place for easy and safe body care tips. In this video, we'll show a simple step-by-step Brazilian wax method you can do confidently at home. Waxing can sound scary. People worry about pain or uneven results, but the real problem is usually technique. Overheating the wax, skipping exfoliation, or pulling too slowly can all cause irritation. Once you know the right way, waxing becomes much smoother. Start by cleansing and gently exfoliating the skin. This removes oils and helps the wax grip better. Warm your wax until it feels like thick honey, not boiling. A comfortable temperature keeps skin safe. Apply a thin, even layer in the same direction your hair grows. Smooth it out gently with the applicator. Hold the skin firm and remove the strip quickly in the opposite direction. A fast, confident pull gives the best results. Soothe the area with aloe gel or a calming lotion. This helps reduce redness and keeps skin soft. Here's the satisfying part: smooth, clean skin that lasts for weeks. Waxing isn't just about hair removal, it's about feeling confident and refreshed. Prepare, apply with care, remove with confidence, and always finish with aftercare. Follow these steps and your at-home wax will feel like a spa treatment. Have you tried waxing at home? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more beauty and wellness videos here on MTH Health.